And we started to get like really, really scared. Things were just getting insane.
Traveling Virginia nurse TEMPEST SCHALLER,
so getting to New York was crazy.
Has been on the front lines of COVID since the start of the pandemic.
You knew that it was bad. I would see sometimes the 18-wheelers with the freezer, like with the freezers full of bodies, leaving the hospital. 3 or 4 of those trucks in one day.
Like this Chesterfield nurse.
It's definitely been challenging.
Of 29 years, who's asked not to be identified.
I see how devastating the disease is, but also how devastating the effects of it are, as far as families being separated during very difficult times, and people losing loved ones without being able to be with them.
Both women agree the virus has been devastating.
Today, we're actually starting the injections here in Richmond.
But they disagree when it comes to getting vaccinated against it. Like thousands in their profession who have taken to social media, divided on whether they'll be rolling up their sleeves.
You know, I'm a nurse. My whole profession revolves around science and medicine and the belief that those things work. You know, there's literally decades and decades and decades of research that backs this vaccination. You know, so to me, it's like any small risk is worth it, because just the chance that we can try to nip this virus in the bud before it gets so much worse, to me, is worth it.
I'm just concerned about injecting something into my body that has been developed so quickly and not knowing what the long-term effects of it are going to be. I'm fearful that people think that we're going to get the vaccine and this is all going to go away.
We took her concerns to the Virginia Department of Health.
All of the safety review steps happened. There was no corners cut. There was no things waived because of the need to get the vaccine to market. These vaccines have gone through the same thorough, rigorous review, scientific review by independent scientists to ensure that these vaccines were found to be safe and effective.
Governor Northam says he does not plan on mandating the vaccine, but there may be situations where employers will have to do so. He says he'll leave it up to businesses and support their decisions.